Hey, hey, wonderful. Hey, I got a new idea. And if this is an idea that you like, let me know by sending a comment either below or email. Okay. Anyway, here's a new word for you. Nabaholicious verbs. Nabaholicious verbs. And this is what I mean. Okay, so that we have a verb called to stand. I will base it upon the four directions. You go clockwise and starting at the top, sh, meaning I, you, me, me. And then to the south or direction counterclockwise, ne. And down at the bottom, uh, be. So that could be like the west idea. Be refers to she, he, it. And then also have a one in the north, G, G, naming one or a polite form in Navajo. All right, let's try this. Okay, let's go. All right, the word here is I stand. Ye seen. I'll say it 4 times. Ye seen. Ye seen. Ye seen. Now I'll go to you. Ye zing. Ye zing. Ye zing. Ye zing. And then the next one. Ji zing. Ji zing. Ji zing. Ji zing. Go back to the top. Ye seen. Ye seen. Ye seen. Ye seen. Ye. Ye zing. Ye zing. Ye zing. Ye zing. And then the next one. Ji zing. Ji zing. Ji zing. Ji zing. Now let's go to sit. Okay, yes, you're standing up, now you're sitting down. Nta. 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 Next one. Oh, sorry. The first one. Nishta. Sorry about that. That's me. Nishta. 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 Now use it. Nta. 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 Nita. And the third one. Nta. 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 Back to front. Nishta. 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 Next one. Nta. 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 And the last one. Jin. Jinta. 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 There it is. A verb. Thank you for listening.